Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, your trusted source for uncovering the truth behind online products and websites. Today, we're diving into the world of hearing aids, specifically the OmniHear Hearing Aid. Is it really the revolutionary device it claims to be, or just another overhyped scam trying to grab your money? Let's find out. According to the official website, OmniHear is a smart hearing aid that uses advanced noise reduction technology and crystal-clear sound amplification to improve your hearing instantly. They say it's lightweight, comfortable, and even rechargeable, promising to restore natural hearing without the high cost of traditional hearing aids. Sounds impressive, right? But when a product makes big promises with little proof, that's our cue to look deeper. After digging around, here's what we discovered. No verified brand background. OmniHear doesn't seem to have a known manufacturer or company with a clear address. That's a red flag. Fake or reused images. Many product photos and customer testimonials appear on other generic hearing aid sites, a common tactic for drop-shipped or scam products. Mixed or suspicious reviews. Some reviews online sound too perfect, while others report issues like poor sound quality, short battery life, and no response from customer support. Price traps. The site often runs limited time discounts or buy one get one free offers that never actually expire, a classic pressure selling trick used by scam websites. So, is the OmniHear hearing aid worth it? In our opinion, not really. While it might function as a basic sound amplifier, it doesn't seem to deliver the professional quality or support you'd expect from a genuine medical-grade hearing aid. If you're seriously looking for hearing support, it's better to go with trusted brands that offer verified reviews, warranty, and medical certification. Always research before buying and never trust websites that hide their contact details or offer unrealistic claims. That's it for today's review, friends! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss our scam alerts. And comment below, have you tried OmniHear or seen other hearing aid ads that look suspicious? Let's help each other stay scam-free. This is Online Scam Advisor signing off. Stay safe and stay smart online. Thank you.